How to use emergency SOS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down and find and tap on the Emergency SOS option. This is your iPhone's dedicated feature for quickly and easily calling for help in an emergency. Turn on the call with hold and release option by tapping the toggle switch beside it. This lets you call by holding the side button and a volume button until a countdown begins. Next, you can also enable the call with 3 button presses option as an alternate method. Rapidly press the side button 3 times, and a countdown will start to call emergency services. With these features, you can customize the different ways to activate the emergency call feature. Following these steps, you can easily use the emergency SOS features on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.